Right, so here we have the little Zonophone all restored and raring to go. And I thought quite appropriate to use a single-sided Zonophone record of the period, The Dory Song and The Bootmaker by Mr. Charles Alexander.
Played and sang it, and I noticed at the bottom of the leaflet an invitation to the town hall to hear Taurian Alexander. And I went last night and heard that man preach, and I gave my heart to God. And today I've sent my wife and children to the afternoon meeting, and I'm praying that they will give their hearts to God. And they did. The next night the whole family came out publicly and confessed Christ. When by the gift of His infinite grace, I am accorded in heaven.